You're watching this because you've been going back and forth between the same bags for weeks, and every new review just adds more confusion, not less. Here's what changes that right now. One bag on this list was independently retested by Outdoor Gear Lab in April 2026 against 18 competitors and claimed the #1 spot again. One of the most popular waterproof duffels in America is bought every month for the completely wrong reasons. I will name it and tell you exactly why it is the wrong call for 9 out of 10 buyers. And I'll give you one size selection tip that eliminates the single most expensive mistake people make ordering duffels online. The wrong choice costs you real money and regret on every trip you take. Links are in the description. At number 6, the Peak Design Travel Duffel. This is a bag built for a very specific person, and understanding that before you buy it matters a lot. If you are a photographer, a tech professional, or someone who has a dedicated place for every item they own, Peak Design built this with you directly in mind. 4 sizes, 35L at $139.95, 50L at $154.95, 65L at $169.95, and 80L at $184.95. The exterior uses 600 denier 100% recycled nylon, and the bottom panel steps up to 900 denier, a heavier weave that handles wet pavement and rough trunk floors better than the main fabric. 6 organized pockets, a wide clamshell opening, and camera cube compatibility make it genuinely useful for protecting expensive gear and keeping every item exactly where you left it. The 35L and 50L are carry-on compliant for most US airlines. At 2.5 pounds for the 50L, it is one of the lightest bags in this class. The honest part, Better Trail found it comfortable to carry up to around 15 pounds. Loaded heavier and the shoulder strap becomes a real problem. Not designed for heavy hauling over distances, not built for outdoor rain exposure, kayaking, or rough airport baggage handling. If you are shopping in-store at REI or Nordstrom, pick this bag up and open every pocket. You will understand the organizational logic in about 30 seconds. If ordering online, sizing charts are reliable. Start with the 50L for most travel situations. Peak Design backs it with a lifetime warranty they consistently honor, confirmed by verified long-term buyers. Buy this if you fly often and carry camera gear or premium electronics. Skip it if you pack heavy or need outdoor toughness. At number 5, the REI Co-op Roadtripper Duffel. The 40L starts at $59.95 and the 60L is $69.95. And the 60-liter version weighs just 1.12 pounds empty. That is a genuinely surprising number for a 60-liter bag. Material is 600 denier recycled polyester with a PFAS-free durable water repellent treatment. Everything is Blue Sign approved, meaning manufacturing meets strict environmental and safety standards. The bag comes with a separate stuff sack that doubles as a packing cube and storage pouch. REI customers rate the 60L at 4.7 out of 5 stars from 66 verified reviews, most praising how light and packable it is. Here is what independent testing actually found. Clever Hiker left this bag sitting in rain for 1 full hour. The interior was completely soaked through. Paper placed inside was fully sodden, not weather resistant in any practical sense. No backpack straps, 1 small external pocket. 0 internal organization. Better Trail confirmed it as the least durable option in their 2025 duffel test round. If you are an REI member shopping in-store, this is the bag to feel off the rack for road trip overflow or car camping use. Stuff it back into its own pouch right there in the store. That packability is its entire value proposition. If ordering online, do not use this as your only bag on a flight or expect it to handle baggage handler abuse. It is not built for that. Who should buy it? Someone who needs an ultra-light overflow bag for road trips, a simple gym bag, or a flat-fold spare to pack inside luggage and pull out when they come home with more than they left with. Nothing beyond that. At number 4, the YETI Panga waterproof duffel. And this is the bag that thousands of people buy every month for the wrong reasons. The numbers first, the 50L retails at $325 and weighs 5.2 pounds empty. The 75L is $350 at 6.1 pounds empty. The 100L is $400 at 6.8 pounds empty. Before you pack a single item inside, the 50L is already heavier than most bags on this list fully loaded. That is the fact most buyers completely miss when they order this online based on brand name alone. Here is where the Panga earns every dollar. The Hydrolock zipper, similar technology to what is used in professional dry suits, creates a fully airtight, fully waterproof seal. Paddling Life testers ran it through backcountry and whitewater rafting trips and confirmed the bag is fully submersible without a single drop entering the interior. Better Trail scored it 5 out of 5 for both water resistance and durability, ratings no other bag on this list matched. They noted it outclassed the Patagonia Black Hole and the REI Big Haul for ruggedness, high-density nylon shell with TPU lamination, welded seams, and a molded base. 3-year YETI warranty. The trade-offs are real. Better Trails scored carrying comfort at 2.5 out of 5 and organization at just 2 out of 5. Only 2 interior mesh pockets. The stiff material makes packing at half capacity genuinely frustrating. If you are shopping in-store, Best Pro, Cabela's, and REI all carry the Panga. Lift the 50L empty. Let that weight in your hands answer the question before your wallet does. YETI Panga is the right choice if you kayak, raft, fish, or operate in wet backcountry terrain. For everyday travel, gym use, or airport trips, you are paying a premium for capabilities you will never use. At number 3, the North Face Base Camp Rolling Thunder Wheeled Duffel. Here's what makes it completely different from everything else on this list. It has wheels. And if you have spent years hauling heavy bags through airports and you are done with that, or if your back, your age, or your doctor has told you to stop hoisting weight overhead at airports, this bag was designed around that exact reality. Pay close attention to this one. 3 sizes. The 22-inch holds 40 liters at $320 and is carry-on compliant for most U.S. airlines. The 28-inch holds 95 liters at $380. The 36-inch maxes out at 160 liters for $400. The 22-inch earned 4.9 out of 5 stars from 101 verified REI reviewers, the highest rating among all 3 sizes. Outdoor Gear Lab tested it through airport sprints and cobblestone streets in Europe and named it their top carry-on roller duffel pick for 2026. It holds a 16-inch laptop and a dedicated padded sleeve, plus internal organization that most cylindrical duffels skip entirely. The chassis is built with 1000 denier polyester, the same denier class used in serious expedition gear, with a hard shell construction that stands up on its own while you pack it. If you are shopping in-store at REI, Dick's Sporting Goods, or an outdoor retailer, roll this bag across the floor fully loaded before buying. The wheel quality on the 22-inch is noticeably better than budget roller duffels at similar price points. That is something you can only feel in person. If ordering online, double-check your specific airline's carry-on dimensions before purchasing. Roller duffel policies vary. One real concern: North Face confirmed they do not sell replacement wheels, and multiple verified long-term owners flagged this directly. On a $320 to $400 bag, that is a legitimate long-term consideration. Best for frequent flyers, business travelers, and buyers who want to roll rather than carry. At number 2, the North Face Base Camp Voyager Duffel. If I had to pick one bag for the widest range of buyers watching right now, this or number 1 would be the answer every time. 3 sizes: 32L at 125, 42Ls at 135, and 62L. The 42L is the sweet spot. It weighs 2 pounds, 5 ounces, measures 23 by 14.7 by 10.2 inches, and is carry-on compliant for most U.S. airlines. Body fabric is 300 denier recycled polyester tarpaulin with a TPU laminate. The base steps up to 840 denier recycled ballistic nylon, where the bag absorbs real abuse. Gear Junkie put the 42L through months of testing, flights, car trips, beach and surf use, and climbing gear hauling. It held up across every scenario without tearing or fraying. On REI's platform, the 42L holds 4.8 out of 5 stars from 495 reviewers, one of the strongest ratings on this entire list. What makes it stand out? Stowable backpack straps that clip cleanly behind a back panel, 4 grab handles across all sides of the bag, a removable internal divider. You can position 2 different ways or pull out entirely, a padded external pocket for a 15-inch laptop, and a secure zip passport pocket. Outdoor Gear Lab ranked it among the top bags for organization in their April 2026 test round. If shopping in-store, try both carry modes before you buy, backpack and duffel. The straps feel different loaded than empty, worth confirming in the store. If ordering online, the 42L is your carry-on size. The 62L must be checked. Honest limitations: no over-the-shoulder strap, and backpack straps lack a chest or sternum strap on loaded longer carries. Not waterproof. $135 for a carry-on convertible duffel that survived months of hard real-world testing. That value is genuinely hard to argue against. At number 1, the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel. Outdoor Gear Lab retested this independently against 18 competitors in April 2026, and it claimed the top position again. That result, from a testing source with no brand relationships, is what earns number 1 this year. And here's the size selection tip I promised you at the start. The single most common mistake people make buying this bag online is choosing wrong. If you travel 3 to 7 days and are not sure which size to order, get the 55L. Large enough for a full week of clothing and gear, compact enough to avoid airline oversized bag fees, and currently rated 4.7 out of 5 stars from 191 verified Patagonia customers, the highest rating across the entire line. Full pricing: 40L at $165, 55L at $179, 70Ls at $189, and 100L at $220. Every size uses 100% recycled polyester ripstop on the exterior with a recycled TPU film laminate, a 200 denier, recycled polyester interior lining, removable ergonomic backpack straps, a padded base for impact absorption on hard surfaces, exterior daisy chains for lashing gear outside the bag, and the entire duffel packs, flat into its own external pocket for compact storage. Patagonia covers everything with their ironclad guarantee. No expiration date, no exceptions. Better Trail praised the backpack carry mode as genuinely comfortable for its size and confirmed the TPU reinforced exterior held up through extended hard use. The wide rectangular opening gives you full visibility into the main compartment without digging. If you are shopping in-store at a Patagonia location or REI, squeeze the padded base and feel the exterior fabric weight. That combination of firmness and flexibility is exactly why this bag outlasts most competitors by years. You will feel the difference from cheaper duffels instantly. If ordering online, size up if you are between sizes. The bag packs into itself when empty, so extra space costs you nothing. 2 honest limitations: 0 external organization pockets, pair with packing cubes, and the button snap suitcase handle closure is slower than Velcro alternatives. One final clarification: the Black Hole is not a submersion bag. Outdoor Gear Lab's 2026 testing confirmed zipper leakage under a high pressure hose. Excellent for airports, road trips, camping, and hiking, not for rafting or watercraft. Those are your top 6 duffel bags for 2026. From the $59.95 REI Roadtripper to the $400 YETI Panga, and the Patagonia Black Hole standing at number 1. Whether you are ordering online tonight or walking into a store this weekend, every buyer on this list has a different right answer. My single fast recommendation: get the Patagonia Black Hole 55L, unless you specifically need true waterproofing or want wheels. Drop your questions in the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.